Hello friends, we are at Kotagiri, which is in the Nilgiris. It is a taluk in the Nilgiris, and Nilgiris are in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. Here we are staying at Solitude by Nature Resort, which is a wonderful place and very serene. It befits its name. Place for keeping your cars. They have a lovely sit-out area here. Get a lovely view. There's another hammock here. See the tea gardens at the back? Wonderful tea gardens at the back. Bye. And do subscribe to our channel. Could play table tennis. There's a beautiful hammock here. You could enjoy the sunlight with the hammock and a book. This is the lounge area or the reception. There's a room here, Harmony. We are at Solitude by Nature Resort in Kotagiri, and in the room Serenity. This is just outside. It's a wonderful property, just amidst nature, and you can just rejuvenate. This is the view from your room. It's just awesome. Inside your room, you get this view. You have a huge window. This room, Tranquility, has a balcony at the back also. So you get the view of the tea gardens. Do subscribe to our channel, dear friends. Bye for now.